Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today's recipe is a simple bundt cake with sugar glaze. Let's start. Take a bowl and a hand mixer. Add 3/4 cup of unsalted butter. Beat the butter till it gets soft and smooth. Now add 1¼ cup of sugar in 2 batches and beat it till it gets fluffy and creamy. Then add 3 eggs one by one. Beat well. To that add 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix these and keep it aside. Now comes the dry ingredient. Here I took 2/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida. To that add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2½ teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Add the dry ingredient and 3/4 cup of milk in 2 to 3 batches. Beat well after each addition. Now take a bundt pan. Use butter or non-stick cooking spray. Now pour the batter into the pan. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Once the cake cools down a bit, transfer to a plate. Let the cake to cool down completely. Now for the sugar glaze, I took 2 cups of powdered sugar. To that add ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix well. Not too thin or not too thick consistency. Then pour on top of the cake and dust some powdered sugar on top. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.